Morning, YouTube. So I have this 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis, and the issue I'm having it with is I have little to no defrost. Um, I changed this head unit out because I know the O-rings go bad in them. So I bought a rebuilt one, and I checked the lines from underneath the hood. The check valve, excuse me. I changed the check valve out, the black line that goes to the back of the head unit, and I jumped it with a piece of clear tubing, and nothing still. So let me start my car.
And $2 bottles all day.
Turn that off. So I'm gonna. It just have it on defrost, but it comes out the vents. Okay, and it barely comes out up here, you know. And then I could put it on floor and defrost. And I hear it switching. Barely anything here, a lot here, and some floor down there. Put it on floor. AC and the heat work fine. It's not the blend door actuator. I think there's these two canisters behind this, and I guess they control the doors. And I wonder if either the line going to the pendulum motor, vacuum motor is bad, or the door itself is bad. So, any help how to diagnose this would be great. Shout out to Panther Platforms, Chuck, because it's the end of September here in Illinois, and it gets kind of cold out. So anyways, I hope this video can help someone or help me out. I appreciate it, and you guys have a great day. Bye.